Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tech Explain here, and today I wanted to upload my second video. So this video is gonna be about how to install a printer, probably one of the more simpler things to do technology wise. So here I'm on my PC screen here. So whenever you first open the Windows, go into right here, go down here, and then type the search, and then type in control panel. So you're going to type in control panel, and that's going to come up. So after that comes up, you're going to click on hardware and sound, and then from here you're going to see all your different options. Click on devices and printers. So whenever you click on this option, you're going to see that there is nothing here. You're just going to see the fax, Microsoft Print to PDF, Microsoft XPS, Document Writer, OneNote, and OneNote for Windows 10. So here they are. So you're going to go up here, click on Add a Printer, and then you're going to click on My printer that I want isn't listed, and here's your option. So if it's an older printer, you can click this one, but one of the easier ways would be through TCP IP address, or through Bluetooth or wireless printer. So in my case, I would click on TCP IP address and click next. So to find the IP address of the printer, you're gonna go onto your printer and you're gonna click on the Wi-Fi or network button, and you're gonna see the IP address pop up. Once you get that, you're going to type in the IP address here. And then once you type in your IP address, hit next. It's going to contact the printer, and it's going to see that, and then you can name it whatever you want. In this case, it would be HP printer, and it shows you the driver and everything, and you click next, set as default printer, click finish, and you can print a test page if you would like. But there we go. After that, your printer should be installed and ready to go, so you can click on the properties and print, and you should be ready to go. Let me know if y'all have any other tech questions. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any other technology questions I can answer. And until next time.